Hi guys, we're back with another video, and we just got a new plane. Actually, we got two new planes. There's one I got in the Japanese. It's one of the weak planes. It's this one. It was the only heavy bomber that I could find. It just doesn't have that much armor on it. That's its only weakness, basically. But other than that, it's pretty much the only heavy bomber I could find, but on the USA, I always wanted to get a fighter, a new fighter instead of the Skyversity. That's pretty much the only fighter I pretty much have. And I got this baby, the P-40 Warhawk, I think that's called. Make sure you watch until the end, and we'll probably go and do some actual dogfights in this thing. And I actually been doing good, and I actually got 26 kills by just bombing a lot, and that's how I got this plane. And I'll see you guys, well, when I get to the dogfight. Okay, guys, we just got in, and, well, first, we're gonna put it on autopilot. No, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna check out the, ooh, yeah, baby. And, like always, when I check out a plane, I always want to check the inside. I like going in person. Like, when I get on plane games, I just, like, always go in the cockpit, because I like cockpits. But you can see it looks pretty good in here. And, oh, we're gonna get, and we have our first guy. Sorry, bro, but I have to do this for YouTube. I'm just gonna say right quick, I wonder what he's gonna do about that. I wonder what he's gonna do about that. Okay, we're just gonna go over here. It looks, this is a pretty good plane. Oh, he's going down. And he just kamikazed himself. He didn't even take anybody out. He just threw himself right to the ground. Like, what's the point of that, dude? They're tracers. You guys can probably not see, but if you guys can see through the controllers, they're tracers. I love tracer rounds. What in the, oh my god, I hate flak. I literally hate it. Okay, so we are back, and I'm waiting for the enemy to come in view, but I'll just say what kind of YouTuber I am. Oh, there's that. He's just probably to just get out of this game and go look it up. Okay. Oh, and by the way, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for more videos. It really means a lot to me. And we got our, I think I see him? I don't really know. Oh my god. I really hate it. What the heck? Well, USA, fine USA. And I don't even know if I hit him, but I think I did. I should have. We're gonna throttle up here. Because I'm gonna need it. Getting into some dog fights, guys. We're actually getting into the main point of the video. Mine was stalled right there. I don't know how I could stall, but I stalled. Oh, I just got dead and dropped by another fighter. Okay, guys, we're gonna actually try to do it. And basically, I'm better shot when I'm like inside the cockpit. So I'm gonna get inside the cockpit. See what that does. We're gonna get our speed up. We're gonna have to definitely get that up. Man, I love them pew-pews. Man, them are good. Cool. There's... Is anybody... I'm all alone. It's Home Alone. Whoa. Somehow he didn't hit me. Somehow. Oh, I'm getting hit on my tail section. I didn't see no bullets hit me, but I heard the pound pound. What is this guy at? Oh. I just got dropped. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to leave this one because there ain't nobody on my team. The game does that. Like, they switch your teammates to the bad side until it's just you and there ain't nobody else on your team. The game does that. And I hate it. It's just stupid. It like changes your teammates to the bad side and it's just all you. Like, how do you supposed to take on 10 fighters with only one fighter? They're just like going after my ships, I think. I don't know what they're going after. Oh my god! Whee! Whee! That's the weirdest sound ever. Oh, I hit him! I hit him a little bit. I don't know how that didn't kill him, but I hit him. Going up throttle here. Oh my god, what is happening? I'm stalling. Bailing out. I hate that stupid stalling thing. Okay, now my person just fell through the floor. And make sure you go get some popcorn and get a B-17 and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button for more videos. Okay, we're going out here. We're going on a trip in our favorite airplane, shooting down planes and getting shot. And that was probably the most stupidest thing I ever even said. Oh. Okay, I need to turn better. This is just gonna be me just getting shot down a bunch. I'm gonna say... I wonder what he's gonna say about that. Well, he probably won't do anything. He probably doesn't even care about it. The only thing about this fighter, it stalls very quick. Oh my god, I'm the worst flyer ever. Oh, then we'll probably hit. Oh. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to leave this one. Because I can't do anything about that. There ain't nobody on my side. I can't do anything about that. Just I can't. So, guys, if you guys unsubscribe, then I really don't care. Because I can't do anything about that. It's the game's fault. Basically. So, we're going to have to try to go to the historic mode. Because we're going to go to Pearl Harbor. I'll see you guys when I get... Wow. I spawned on an airfield. Great. I have to go easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Don't want to push my... Who really even cares? I just want to get up in the sky. There's a fire over there. Wow. How stupid these AI are. Oh no. Oh no. Don't you dare. You shoot me or I'm taking off. Don't you dare. Okay, I'm up in the sky now. You can. You can do whatever. Wow, they're so stupid. Wow. I never seen anybody except me get shot down in that time frame. Wow. Okay, we're doing some invasive maneuvers. Invasive maneuvers. Operation shoot every Chinese guy down. Operation shoot every Chinese guy down. Leave no one standing. No rock unturned. No crevice unchecked. Whatever word that's in the book. Where's this guy? Is he going away from me, or is he coming towards me? Oh, he's coming towards me. Wow, I'm dead. Wow, he's coming straight towards me. Hope I don't get shot to pieces. I probably am, because I'm bad at basically every game I play. Okay, we're going inside the cockpit. What? No. You guys probably don't like that, but I really do. Is he going away? Yep, he's going away from me. Oh, he's leading me. He's leading me to them ships so they can take me down. Oh, you're pretty smart. Well, who cares? Because I'm going to try to shoot you down anyway. Oh, I'm in him. Got him. We got him, guys. First kill of the day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash that like button for that. Oh, finally I shot down a person. Oh my god. Oh. I'll see you guys in another video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Remember, get some popcorn while you're watching this. Well, this is the end. Well, still keep eating your popcorn, keep flying your B-17, and I'll see you in the next one.